ProTinkerToys.com, and this is car number 2 of SC397, and this is the Palm Beach, Florida Police Department. And this is their 1977 Chevy Blazer. This is a nice one, Chevy Blazer. Of course, people don't like to race Blazers, but you know what? Then you just race Blazers, all 4 Blazers or 5 Blazers. That's what's so sweet about racing. And that's what's so sweet about slot cars is slot cars are supposed to be fun. It's a Chevy Blazer on an Xtraction chassis. That is what an Xtraction chassis is. It's similar to the Magnetraction chassis back in 1975. Yeah, what the heck? Let's open this one up. I like this one. We'll sell this one tonight at auction. We'll probably sell it twice what it's worth. I'm going to sign it too. I'm going to sign it, ahoy, Brian Young. So this is the Chevy Blazer, 1977 Chevy Blazer, okay. Well, Brian, if you can run into everything you can go by, that'd be great. And that is SC397. And that's a signed one. This is a signed one. This will probably be sold out by the time you guys watch this video. But whenever you want me to sign products, all you have to do is, when you place an order, all you have to do is put in the notes saying, hey, Brian, will you please sign this, this, and this car? And I will sign them. And I always sign them my signature with ahoy, ahoy. And that is the 1977 Chevy Blazer at ProTinkerToys.com.